Alright guys, we're hitting it.
Yeah.
Red is far.
Yeah, I like my fucking pistol.
Yeah. You're gonna go that side.
Oh, fuck, I'm getting blue.
Oh, yeah. Oh my god, have we got 2 pistols? Okay, so what's the game plan?
Stick together or break apart 2-2? Stick together.
Yeah.
Like last time when we weren't sticking together, we all got fucked up sick.
Yeah, because you shot me in the leg, that's why. Yeah.
And then when we...
Why are we going this way? This way. We're gonna go through here. Hit! Good shot!
Or we can do the bag in the tower, seeing as we got the bag out now.
But that's fucking hardcore.
Yeah, it's lucky.
Yeah, we did that last time.
Let's put the
Even
bag
on
in the
top
tower.
of the car. Yeah,
Yeah,
you get
exactly,
fucking
that's the thing.
panelled.
Let's do bag in the tower.
You ready?
Wouldn't even have... Hey, Jay. Let it out.
Your fault. Yep. Ah. Hit. I thought you were hit. Oh, that's why I'm ignoring you. Okay, I'm hit. Oh, you son of a bitch! Sorry. Alex. I'm gonna go up. Shit. Ah! Hit! I'm hit, I'm hit. Good shot. Bang! Oh, sorry. Whew. This side, this side. Ah, hit, hit. Marco! Oh, hit! I'm hit. Shit. Game.
Oh, fuck. Oh, someone got me there. Oh, fuck. Oh. As I got 1, 2, 3 and I heard you out and I just dropped my gun up. Oh, fuck. No. I was trying to hide underneath.
Oh. Yeah, I'm like, tip.
Ding. You're hitting the brick. Nah, look, go back. Look,
Yeah.
go back.
I'm calling foul on the red team.
Why?
Your tubes are not in the bucket.
What tubes? That could not have been more perfect.
Yeah.
All 4 of them out.
Oh.
You guys still ran. You're like, fuck, drop it and I'm done. Up.
She runs the wrong way.
I thought I saw you chuck it off the side. Jack's like, no, it's there. I'm like, what?
No, you can only go around this way. I didn't want to throw it that side because they
Then you
were
have to
like
run it
right
down
on
the
it.
side, yeah.
But it's like rugby. You know the oak's going for the try line, but the coach cucks you out if you don't try and tackle
Yeah,
him.
exactly. Next time I'm gonna die lying on top of the bag and you're out the way.